to my channel. Today we will use constants in C++ graphics programs. A constant is basically a name or an identifier for a simple value. You can assign a value or string to a different name and use it throughout the program. In C++, constants can be declared by using keyword const. Then we have to write the data type of the constant we want to declare, and then we have to write the constant and value for that constant by using equal to sign. The value of constant cannot change during the program or during the execution of the program. So, first of all, I am including graphics.h header file. Now I am starting main function. After declaring graphics variables, I am declaring here a constant value for x. X is equal to 300. In this program, I am drawing 4 circles. For all the circles, I am using the constant value of x coordinate in circle function. So the statements for drawing circles are circle x, 250, 80, circle x 250, 100, circle x 250, 120. Now if I want to draw the fourth circle by using same value of x, I am declaring a function here, name. The name of the function is circle4. The declaration statement of this function should be before main function. Void circle4 int x. Its parameters is same variable x. We have declared constants in main function. Next, I am defining circle4 function after the main function. This function will draw the fourth circle. Now in main function, I am calling the function circle4 and passing the value x as a parameter. Because x has a constant value 300, this function will automatically take its value. Now as you can see, circles are drawn on the output screen. This was all about using constant in C++ program in graphics. Thanks for watching and please subscribe to my channel for more graphics related videos.